Okay, I'm super excited because I'm going to cover my Stars Over Blue pattern in glitter laminate because I'm using the Caesar PSV Flame Red Beautiful glitter. So we need to match it with our pattern as well and put glitter on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure this is the canister that I'm putting it on, and I'm measuring that out. It appears to be about 5 inches wide, so I probably want to do a 4-inch wide decal. So I'm going to measure out a piece of my vinyl to make sure that I have enough. I'm going to make it 5 inches. Can't wait for you guys to see what this is going to look like. I'm really excited about this project. Okay, so I have my 5-inch piece, and now I'm going to put this away. For glitter laminate application, you're going to need scissors, tape, and a squeegee. Of course, your beautiful glitter laminate from Sparkleberry, as well as your adhesive vinyl. Now I'm going to cut my glitter laminate just a tad larger than my vinyl. Okay, I'm going to take a piece of tape, and first we're going to make sure we put the right side up. The glossiest side, not the matte side, but the glossy side is the side that needs to go, it needs to be facing up. Whenever you do this, you lay this on top of your vinyl, and you're going to take a piece of tape and put it in the middle on one side, lay the tape long ways, and do the other side as well. Okay, this is called the hinge method. All right, then I'm going to separate the glitter laminate from the backer that it's on. It's adhesive. It's very, very, very sticky. I'm going to pull that back very carefully because this is super sticky and we don't want it to stick to itself. So you just very carefully lay this glitter laminate back. The backer should be on the bottom and in between the sticky and your adhesive. So we're going to take our scissors and cut only the backer off, just the backer. Okay, if your adhesive underneath moves a little bit, that's okay. Just move it back to where you want it. Carefully pick this up, the top part of your laminate, and I want you to hold it very tight. Not super tight where it comes off, but just hold it tight so that you want tension in there. So when you take your squeegee, and a bigger squeegee, like a 4-inch squeegee is what you're going to want to work with. You just slowly, and slow and steady wins the race. Remember, side to side, side to side. We're just applying that. Okay, no bubbles, 0 bubbles. Then I'm going to take my project and I'm going to turn it around because we're going to do the same thing to the other side, okay? Now that backer, because we cut it off earlier, should come right off. Watch this. This backer, you can throw that away. Pick up your glitter laminate and then slowly but surely do the same thing and push it away from you, side to side. So far so good, no bubbles. And there you go. There are no bubbles. You can remove your tape. And you now have a beautiful piece of pattern vinyl with glitter laminate on it that will sparkle and shine and stay beautiful for years, literally. Okay, so now I've made my cut and I'm going to go ahead and weed first my glitter laminate. Look how beautifully that weeded. Nice. Put that right over there. And there are my flip-flop bottoms. And now, you guessed it, this done in the Caesar PSV glitter is going to be the little prongs that hold the flip-flops on. So I'm going to take my gridded transfer tape, and first I'm going to apply it to my prongs. I didn't even need my weeding hook right there. Okay. Let's see if I need to squeegee it. And nope, I didn't need to squeegee it. And then I'm going to eyeball it and hope I get lucky on this one. And beautiful. Okay, it's ready to apply. Ooh, it's gonna roll away. Hopefully not. And then I'm going to place it on my canister. I got this canister at the Target dollar spot. Super great buy, it was $5. It's actually a utensil canister, but it's gonna be perfect to hold vinyl for pictures and just to keep my patriotic vinyl separate. And I'm going to keep this. That's one really awesome thing about this gridded transfer tape. You can actually use it later. So I'm gonna save that for later. And there you go. Look at that beautiful, sparkly glitter. It's all set and ready for my vinyl rolls.